In July 2026, the Colombo Plan celebrates 75 years of unparalleled excellence as one of the oldest development assistance organizations in the world. With its trailblazing journey, the Colombo Plan has been advancing shared progress across continents since 1951, successfully and efficiently responding to critical human resource gaps, development, and technical needs. With its foundation and support delivery firmly rooted in the organization's motto, Planning Prosperity Together, 26 member countries are currently steering the Colombo Plan's vision and mission forward. The ethos of the level playing field underwriting the Colombo Plan's operational framework has enabled member countries to take ownership of the design, plan, and implementation of their own prosperity. A unique experiment in international development assistance, member countries have become donors and provide technical know-how to other member nations. Since 1994, the Colombo Plan's South-to-South cooperation model has supported member countries to advance and accelerate their socio-economic growth, addressing and responding to each country's specific needs, plans, and aspirations. The Drug Advisory Program is the Colombo Plan's flagship program. DAP is also the organization's longest-running aid program with over half a century's service delivery, which is now reaching out to 80 countries in the world with various drug demand and supply reduction-centric assistance rooted in evidence-based, ethical, and public health-oriented responses to substance use disorders. DAP also carries out country-specific interventions. In Afghanistan, between April 2018 to August 2022, DAP treated 26,000 clients annually through 86 inpatient and outpatient centers. DAP also administered outpatient drop-in centers in the Philippines and in Indonesia. In 2024, the Colombo Plan started upgrading forensics labs' capabilities in South Asia, including Bangladesh, the Maldives, Nepal, and Sri Lanka. The Colombo Plan's Gender Affairs program began as an offshoot of the Drug Advisory Program's interventions in Kabul, Afghanistan. What began as a transitional center supporting women affected by gender-based violence later witnessed its transformation into the Colombo Plan's Gender Affairs program. When the program closed its operations in 2023, 114,468 women and children had received protection and care services through 31 shelters. With the onset of climate crisis-related challenges jeopardizing the member countries' realization of their sustainable development goals, the Colombo Plan designed its program for environment and climate change. With its two-tier approach of collective level and country level, the program implements specific interventions and actions to address the climate crisis and other critical environmental problems. The Colombo Plan's capacity building program efficiently responds to the member countries' specific and urgent human resource needs and capacity gaps arising from a rapidly changing global context. In the past 2 decades alone, nearly 30,000 individuals in the Global South have gained knowledge, skills, and productive ingenuity to lead socio-economic development and charter their own nation's futures. The Colombo Plan's Maritime Advisory Program will help advance port logistics, governance, and connectivity based on global best practices. Currently, 200 vessels transit daily through the strategically located Colombo's harbour, accounting for 2/3 of the world's seaborne oil and half of its container shipments. The Maritime Advisory Program's support will witness the Colombo Port's transition from a location-advantaged port to a strategically competitive, technology-driven, secure, and customer-focused South Asia hub. The Colombo Plan, with 75 years of unparalleled excellence, will guide the member countries to write their own stories of excellence as their most reliable partner in shared progress. 75 years of results, 26 nations choosing each other, 80 countries reached. One promise we've kept since 1951. We plan prosperity together. Join us.